Welcome back to Firefly Studio. My name is Kadia, and today we will be continuing our Unity Fundamentals series, going into timers. Timers are used all the time in games for anything from attack animations to ability cooldowns to spawning. You'll see them all over the place. Today we're going to hook it up with our attack animation from the last video. The way we're going to do that is we're going to make a new script called timer, and then we're going to get right into it. So, in this script, I have two things set up, two variables. I've got a private float attack time. This is just going to hold basically a counter that will be used to determine when we can attack, and then our attack speed. This is a property. I go into those getter setter video. This is basically just allowing us to any script can access it, but only the script can set it. I've got it initialized in our start function to 2. So we'll attack once every 2 seconds. And then in our update right here is our timer. So it's pretty simple. It's just an if statement in our update. It says if time.time is greater than or equal to attack time. What's that? Time.time is the time in milliseconds from the start of the game to now. So on the first frame, that time would be however long it takes your computer to generate a single frame. After a little bit, it will increase. So basically, it's just the current time of the game. Our attack time is that variable we created. So what we do is we're going to initially we're going to attack. And then we set our attack time equal to whatever the current time is plus our attack speed. So to plug some numbers into this, let's say this triggers as soon as we press the play button. So time.time is 0. Is 0 greater than or equal to 0? This attack time starts off at 0. That's true. So we attack once, then we set our new attack time equal to 0 plus 2. So in 2 seconds we can attack, which is exactly what we want. The next time's through, so in 2 seconds, is 2 greater than or equal to 2? Yep. Okay. So we attack. Then we set it to 2 plus 2, which is 4, which is the next time we want to attack, and so on and so forth. This attack function is just a function where I've got a debug.log in it. And we're going to hit play, and we're going to see that this debug.log happens once every 2 seconds, and then we're just going to plug in the animation stuff from the last script, so you can see that we'll thrust every 2 seconds. So I'm going to make sure I've got the script attached, which I do. And then I'm going to come over here to the console, and we will see we initially attacked 1, 1, 2, second, third, fourth attack, so on and so forth. You can see it's counting up fairly slowly once every 2 seconds. It's exactly what we want to happen. So the way we plug our animation into it is we just need a reference to our animator component, private animator my anim, and then we just have to initialize it. Get component animator. And go into details about what an animator is and how to set that all up in the video up in your top right. I believe I had this a capital A attack. Let me just double check real quick. Parameters, lowercase a attack. Alrighty. So we're going to go to our scene, we're going to hit play, and we should see our dude thrust. There it is. So he's thrusting every 2 seconds. This error just has to do with something that we set up in our animation video. Don't worry about it for now. Alright, I hope you found this video interesting. Very short one today, but very powerful tool. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.